Hi guys, so I'm starting off on clean conditioned hair. I actually use the Shea Moisture Tahitian Noni deep conditioner first, and then I follow through with the rinse out conditioner. I did leave the rinse out conditioner in as my leave-in, but I just squeezed out the excess conditioner.
You stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamond, a hand for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you.
I'm going to be using the Three Sisters of Nature Natural Curling Gelo. It's amazing, it has tons of slip, it smells good, and plus it mixes well with Shea Moisture conditioners. So now that it's sectioned in fours, I'm just going to spray this one section with plain water. Now I'm going to begin to work in smaller sections. Working in smaller sections gives me more control over the style, and I notice that it gives me more definition as well.
Baby, you should let me love you.
Now I'm going to start with the dime size amount for this section. Once I got it on my hair, I quickly realized that it was way too much product, and I decided to add more hair to that section so that way I wouldn't have that crunchy feeling when it dried.
Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts.
Now that I've worked that dime size amount into the larger section, I really feel the product foaming in my hair, and it feels great, it feels light, it feels airy. It just feels really soft, and I can tell that it's going to be a good hair day.
Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. This for the diamond, a hand for the rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want. Oh baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you.
So now that I'm in my crown area, I like to use metal clips to hold back the hair that I've already done.
Baby, you should let me love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you, yeah. Just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamond, a hand for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be.
So now that all the product has been worked through my hair, I'm going to go ahead and pin my front up so I can start working on my edges. So now I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel on my edges. I am simply going to be taking a towel and blotting the product that's currently on them off, so that way when it mixes with Eco Styler gel, I don't have such a bad reaction. This product does not work well with Eco, so this is just a precaution that I'm taking so that way I don't have any white gummy buildup for when the two products meet.
Baby, you should let me love you.
Now I'm going to continue to rub the Eco Styler gel in on my edges with my hands. I don't use any styling tools, combs, brushes, toothbrushes, anything like that when I do my edges because I don't want to have any breakage. Plus, using my hands alone just to smooth gives me that awesome laid look that I love.
Looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control, baby, you know.
Now it's time to apply my headband. All I'm gonna do is lay the headband in place. I'm not gonna slide it.
Deserves good bangs, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love.
So I'm going to be using a second headband today instead of metal clips to hold my front hair up for extra volume.
Oh baby, good love and protection. So make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me love you.
So now my hair is complete. All I need to do now is let my hair air dry and I'll be back with the results. I'm really loving my end results. My hair is soft, it's fluffy, it's frizz-free, it has shine, tons of definition. It's just overall really an amazing product and I love my results. I will never walk past this product again without picking it up. It has definitely become a product staple of mine and I'm so glad I gave it a chance.